Okay. Bruh. Okay. Story begins. I already said that a lot of times in my video. Man, you're cringe. No, no. At the secret lab.
Ay, so pretty ko mga magulang. Ha?
Then somebody's planning underwater. Which is Buff Apple.
Sobrang laway si...
Mo, ha, ha, ha. One, two.
Ini Max na guys.
Launching the airplane. Launching the nuke. Boom! Boom! Ow, my arm! I was trying to protect Figure. Thanks for protecting me. Ow, my arm is burning! And the rockets doesn't stop there. It's going towards Screech. Ah! Thank God it didn't hit them. I lost my legs. Then go get feet in the little water. Help me! And then it stops.
Out of almost 1,500 outstanding students, isa siya sa 12 na napiling ipadala sa Seattle at sa Cincinnati.
Did he actually skip a rock? Where is he? Oh, he's there. Oh, no. I break all of my bones. Whoa. The beast has been awakened. Ow. No one's bigger than me. We're burning! And then they vanished because they died actually. What are you doing in my ocean? I'm gonna eat. Ah! This yummy food is tasty. I just want to get some fresh air. And pretend the little thing is not here anymore. Yummy for my tummy.
Ano?
Nagdadaya kaya tayo.
Ano?
Sa tubig, pwede pa
Ano
ano?
naman? Galing na eleksyon? Galing na chicken.
Damn, look at that guts.
Lalapit na lang isa sa bagay na iba. Pupulit ito. Isa sa bagay na.
Is that a sea whale? Boob is just sleeping while your daughter is dead.
Ha?
But then, Buff Melon got out and saw Goob awake now. Wait a minute, I got Goob there.
Buto, doktor, ba't tingog mo?
What are you doing? Nothing. Nothing. Whatever. Oh! Picks up Goob. Since he's like small. I don't wanna be your sister's date. Can't do that. I'm only her sister. She's my big brother. And you wanna date her? Yeah. Now give me her.
Pag Wednesday, sinusunod sa school yung bata.
Never mind, he's already dead.
Pag Sabado naman, susunod
What if
sa
he-
9 p.m. Tapos ihatid ulit ang 7. O ayun, di mabuti, meron ka ng time para sa sarili mo.
May laman ang
Eh, hindi ka naman pagsabi mo, oo nga. At saka pagtrabahuin mo naman yung tatay, no? Hiruin mo.
I mean, that looks like ano, the cursed one. Kick
O
that
ano
out.
yung comment na anak mo tungkol sa girlfriend ng daddy niya?
Ha?
Zero ka pa.
Wala naman ang daddy mo.
Nagkala ko meron niya tutulad na kung saan ba.
Nangyayari sa bahay niya.
Kaya napindot ko.
Kung wala din yung babae.
Zero pa. Wala pa naman sa'yo.
Paglawagan pa
Ba?
ng sabit niya.
Wala pa naman.
Kasi kasi yung second to thinking na hindi sinasama yung babae pag dumalabas sila mag-ama.
Ano yan? Ang ads.
Ano mo ba eh?
Diyan mo malalaman yung balance.
At wala ka na
Look behind you. Wait, what? Oh! I'm actually the real Goob. Not as that small other one. Ew.
Diba?
Ito ba yan?
Eating that.
Halika na, baka hindi na kayo dati.
Then eating it.
Ano ba?
Sige. Halika.
Ha 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 ha.
Sandali lang ha, baka magkakaproblema kayo ha. Hindi na ako pwede sa amin sa ulan niyo.
Bakit? Alam mo ba yun? Sige, dapat hindi ko po naman.
I guess, siguro bumalik dito. So, nainit kasi yung ulo dito Maria. Hindi dahil sinubig siya ng lola.
He hates me. Okay, the end. It's just only for